Hi. I didn't want to get too close there because I've got a cold sore and it's not the most appealing spectacle. I just wanted to let you know I'm preparing some paper for tomorrow. So I've got a big brush, some gesso and paper here, and a bit of inspiration in the form of flowers. Maybe this vase, we'll see. But I also really love this jug. Yeah, so it's been a while, but I wanted you to know that I've not forgotten the importance of regular creative action, and I look forward to spending time with you tomorrow. I've got bags of torn up paper and acrylic paint and some chalks and oil pastels and ink and sticks to draw with. So I'm getting kind of excited now for a bit of creativity, and it being almost midnight, I'm probably getting too excited actually, because I'll probably want to start painting or drawing myself now, but no, this is preparation for the morning, so I look forward to seeing you then. Alright, good night.